The new school year is almost here, and families are looking for easy back-to-school meals that are delicious, nutritious, and will not break the bank. Here to help is Supermom Rosalynn Daniels, who is teaming up with Aldi to share time-saving tips and recipes. Daniels is a food and lifestyle expert who has been featured on many network TV shows like Morning Express on HLN. Welcome, Rosalynn.
Hi, thank you so much for having me.
What do you suggest for gearing up for back to school?
Well, back to school season is quickly approaching, and Aldi has a vast selection of items and groceries that can help ease your shopping experience. As a matter of fact, we got together to create some easy time-saving recipes that your kids will love.
Do you have a favorite back to school recipe?
Well, I like to create tradition for my family, and so we like to do Taco Tuesday nights at the Daniels house, which always features Simply Nature 100% grass-fed ground beef and Black Angus choice beef top sirloin steak. The convenience of this meal is helpful to help keep you back with the back-to-school schedule. One thing that I like to do is create Taco Tuesday's dinner into a Wednesday's lunch by simply putting leftover steak into a bowl with lettuce, tomatoes, and assorted cheeses from Aldi.
What's another budget-friendly recipe that you might have?
Well, first let me tell you that Aldi provides low prices and peace of mind to parents who are trying to conquer that budget-busting back-to-school season. That's why everyone loves to make my orange chicken dump meal. And you can get all of those ingredients at an affordable price because Aldi ranks #1 in terms of value for 5 years running. So when you make this dump meal, all you have to do is just take your oranges and your chicken breast or chicken thigh from Aldi, a little bit of olive oil and your seasonings and a marmalade, put it in a freezer bag, and then when you're ready to eat that meal, you just put it in the slow cooker and it'll be ready by the time the kids get home from school.
Where can we go for more information?
Well, you can grab the recipes at rosalyndaniels.com, and you can learn more about Aldi at aldi.us.
Thanks for joining us, Rosalynn.
Thank you so much for having me.